Jog on the spot for 10 seconds. Alright, we are through with our warm-up. So today's workout, we have combined HIIT with some core movements, and it is challenging on your cardio when you suddenly have to hold a movement engaging your core, alright, while doing your HIIT. So it is going to be primarily body weight HIIT plus core hold movements, which include your leg raise hold, which include your plank hold. Alright, so in between a very fast movement, you need to hold some movements for certain duration. The workout is EMOM every minute on minute. So minute 1 has a workout, minute 2, minute 3 and so on. Let's practice the movements before we start the workout. The movements are very simple. It is challenging on the core as HIIT is combined with the core blast. So let's have a look. So first minute is your jumping jacks. Simple. Alright. We just did walking jacks. In the first minute you are going to do jumping jacks. Let's do that 5 counts right now. 5 jumping jacks. Yes. Okay. So that is going to be your first minute, and you have to do 30 of this in the minute 1. Now minute 2 has plank hold of 40 seconds, and for this you need to be in your elbow plank hold. So be on your elbow plank and hold it for 40 seconds in the movement. Right now just try to be in the plank for, let's say, 5-7 seconds. Be in the plank. Yes, good. Hold it for a few seconds and then let it go. Engage your core. You should feel it in your stomach. Ajita, slightly elbows inside. Yes, okay, relax. Alright. Now, the third movement and the third minute is your side lunges. Alright, let us warm up ourselves before we attempt it. Get up. Widen your legs. We are doing warm up right now. Just bend side to side. Yes, Ajita, try to widen your legs more. We are not bending down too much, but try to widen your legs more. Okay, relax. Now, in the workout, we are going to do side lunges, and how? So, you push your hips back, bend on one side, come up. Push your hips back, bend on the other side, come up. Alright, you need to go down as further as possible. Let's try that. 2 on each side. Right now, everyone. Side lunges, yes. Yes. Kirti, push your hips down. Yes, much better, yes, good. Yes, okay, alright, relax. The next movement is now it comes the hold movement, alright. Now we have chosen leg raise hold, and how are we going to do it? So you lie down, again the same pointer, press your spine down so that there is no curve in your spine. Hands by the side. Raise your leg up, bring it down to 30 and hold. Alright. Now, if you just raise your leg up from here, you won't be able to engage your core as much. Alright, your spine might get up and there might be a curve. So, ideally, raise your leg up to 90. Once your core is engaged, bring it down to 30 and hold. Okay, let's try that. We'll hold it for 10 seconds right now. Yes, raise your leg up. Then bring it down to 30 and hold it. Count 10 in your head. Yes, very good. Hold it, yes. Prashant, you need to bring it down to 30. This is a 60-degree hold. Bring it down, Prashant. Yes, okay, relax. Alright. The last movement, minute 5, is going to be your squat walk. And how are we going to do it? So, you stand in a squat stance like this. Now walk too much. If you go down too much, you won't be able to engage your quads. We are trying to engage our quads. And don't be too much up also. So ideally here, and take smaller steps. Make sure your legs are never joined together. Okay? Let's try that. Let's take 5 steps left, 5 steps right. Let's try that. Yes. Yes, good. Keep it slightly bent down more. Good. Okay, relax. Alright. So you must have seen in these 5 minutes, we combined HIIT, we combined strength and conditioning and core workout as well. So let me revise the movements for you. The first one is your jumping jacks, which is your 30 counts. So, just a second. Okay. So, in the minute 1, you do 30 jumping jacks. Now, if you suppose finish it in 40 seconds, so the remaining 20 seconds is your rest period. Then, when the minute 2 starts, you'll go down and do the plank hold. So, you need to hold it for 40 seconds. And then 20 seconds will be your rest period. Alright. Then, you would do side lunges. Alright. 7 on each leg. Okay. Side lunges is 7 counts on each leg. Okay. After that, you are going to hold your leg raise at 30 degree for 40 seconds. Okay. After that, the 5th movement, you are going to get up, be in the squat stance and walk side to side. Let me just see how much is the duration of the squat walk. So, squat walk is for 40 seconds. Alright, yes. I'll keep telling you when the timer goes off what is the next movement. So, don't worry on the chronology of the movement. I'll keep reminding you. Okay. So, this is going to be your 20 minutes of workout today. Alright. Let's get ready. You want to have water? You can have it right now. In between also, if you wish to have while you are resting, just take a sip of it. Okay. The first minute is your jumping jacks and it is 30 counts and we are about to start in 3, 2, 1, start. Jumping jacks 30. Yes. Yes. Ajita, bring your hands down as well. Up and down. Yes. Good. Yes. If you're done, you can relax. We still have 25 minutes to go. The next movement is going to be your plank hold. Okay, wait. 20 seconds of rest. Keep walking. So first set is always easier because our body is fresh. The subsequent sets are slightly demanding. So make sure that the first set, speed of the first set and the last set is more or less same or the last set is faster. Okay, get down in the plank. Start. Timer started, 40 seconds, plank hold. Yes, engage your core. Yes, Prashant, don't let your legs drop. Slightly lift up your lower legs. Yes. Keep breathing, keep breathing. 20 more seconds to go. Ten seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Get up, take a walk. We have 20 seconds of rest now. The next movement is going to be your side lunges. So whenever you bend down in a side lunge, make sure you bend down from your hips. And this leg doesn't go too far. And don't place your hands here. You need to not turn on the side. Your body remains straight. Here you bend like this. Alright? Yes? Okay, let's get ready. Start. 7 on each side. Side lunges. Yes, let's do that. Yes, Kirti, you need to bend down more. Ajita, hold the table by the side and bend down more. Yes, go down. So when you are going down, don't lift up the heel of the leg that you are going down on. Yes, much better, much better. Try to go down from your hips. Yes. Yes, good, 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 good. 7 on each. Yes. Ajita, don't lift off your heels of the leg that you are bending down on. The full foot remains on the floor. Yes. Okay, get ready for leg raise hold. Lie down everyone. Raise your leg up to 90 degrees. Bring it down to 30 and hold. Timer has started. Yes, Prashant, legs down. Ajita, yours also slightly down. Kirti, yours is fine. Keep going. Keep breathing. 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, get up. 20 seconds of rest here. We will be doing squat walk. Okay, get ready. 10 seconds. Start. Start. Timer started. Yes. Walk side to side. We are going to do it for 40 seconds. Yes. Bend down. Bend down. Yes. Very good, Prashant. Very nice. Yes. Good, Ajita. Good. Yes. Good, Kirti. Feel it in your quadriceps, everyone. Chest out. Back straight. 10 more seconds. Bend down, everyone. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay, one round done. 3 more to go. After the second round, we are going to slightly practice on the side lunges. 10 seconds to go. Okay. Now the movement is jumping jacks, 30 counts. Alright, start. Jumping jacks, 30 counts. Yes. Yes. Jump on your toes. Try that your heels should not touch the floor. Okay. We still have around more than 25 seconds of rest. You can have water if you wish to. Okay, next movement is going to be your plank hold. Get ready. 40 seconds of plank hold and another 10 seconds. Okay, at the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Yes, keep looking straight in front of your mat. Yes, very good. Hold it, hold it. Yes, Prashant, slightly lift up your torso. Yes, good, good. Engage your core. 20 more seconds. Keep breathing, guys. Yes, good, Ajita, good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Ajita, I hope your feet were not touching the table. Okay? Yeah, don't let it. Alright. For the next movement, I want you to hold any object in your room. So we are going to do side lunges. So but for that, so I have this table. So anything which you can hold, table, sofa, whatever. Now widen your legs. Now from here, try going down further, and this will give you a support. You can put your body weight and get up. So what is the purpose of holding something? It can be a chair, table, whatever. So I want you to go down as much, because otherwise You are just going down this much. I want you to be here. Okay, for this purpose, I want you to hold an object as of now. Just try it. Try 1 counts and see if you are able to put your body weight there and go down deeper. Yes, try to go down deeper. Yes, good Kirti, good, better. Yes, I think it is better. Yes. All right, relax. So, in the upcoming minute, we are going to do this. Okay. Holding the table and doing 7 on each side, side lunges. Get ready. 10 seconds to go. All right. At the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Go down deeper on one side. Yes, good. Come back up. Bend down on the other side. Yes. Ajita, don't turn your foot. Your foot will remain like that. Okay. Don't turn every time your foot. Yes. Slightly the toes are out, but don't turn your side. Yes. Yes. Good, good, good. Carry on, carry on. Bend deeper. Yes. You would be feeling in the inside part of your thighs. All right. Yes. A slight stretch there. Carry on. 7 on each. If you are done 7 on each, you can start walking. Yes, good. All right, 10 seconds to go for the leg raise hold. Lie down, raise your leg up, bring it down to 30 degrees and hold. Timer has started. So we'll go as 30 seconds of leg raise hold. Yes, engage your core, feel it in your lower abs. Keep breathing, don't hold your breath and don't strain your neck also. Your neck should be neutral. Yes, carry on, carry on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Relax. Excellent. Okay, get up for the squat walk. 20 seconds to go. All right. 5 seconds. At the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Yes. Walk side to side. Smaller steps. Yes, very good, Prashant. Good. Good, Kirti. Good. Yes. Try to feel your quads burning. Ajita, bend down more. Bend down, bend down. Yes, there you go. Yes. Push your hips back. Don't let your knee cross your toe line. Yes, carry on, carry on. 10 more seconds. Iti, bend down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay, 2 rounds done. 2 more to go. Have water if you wish to. Okay, get ready for the third round. Jumping jacks is the first movement, 30 counts. And start. 30 counts, jumping jacks started. Yes. Bring your legs out and in. Bring Kirti, bring your leg in also. Yes, Joy. Yes, good. Very nice. If you are done, you will start walking. Okay. 20 seconds to go before we start the plank hold. Okay. Get ready. 10 seconds. Lie down. Kirti, show me a side view of your plank hold if you can. Just turn around your mat or tilt it sideways. Okay, start. Yes, good. Kirti, slightly take your hands back. Yes, good. Yes, yes. Hold it, hold it. Very good. Good, good. 15 more seconds. Keep breathing, everyone. Tighten your stomach, engage your core. Keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Excellent. Okay. Get up. Get ready for the side lunges. Hold your table. Everyone, 10 seconds to go. Widen your legs. 3, 2, 1. Start. 7 on each side, side lunges. Even if you do 5, I'm fine with that. Just go deeper. Yes, keep doing that. Yes, so we are working on adductors of your hips and your hamstring and glutes with this side lunges. Yes, good, good. So our goal is that right now we are using the table and doing the movement. We should be doing the same range of motion without any assistance. Keep that goal in mind. So once your hamstring muscles are strong, once your glutes are strong, your core is strong, you will be able to see the difference. Okay, let's get ready for the leg raise hold now. Lie down, everyone. Raise your leg up. Bring it down to 30. Hold. Timer started. 30 seconds of leg raise hold at 30 degrees. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Good. Okay, for once, slightly stretch your back. Turn around, be in the cobra pose, then sit in the child pose. Then we are going to do the last movement. Okay. Get up, everyone. Let's get ready. Okay, at the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Squat walk. Yes, side to side. Very good. Yes, good, Ajita. Maintain that. Yes. Walk, walk, walk. Yes. Bend down, bend down. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Let's get ready for the last round now. Not much of rest at this point. Okay, start jumping jacks. 30, everyone, let's do that. Yes, faster, faster. You should be able to do it under 30 seconds, everyone. Don't take more than 30 seconds finishing 30 jumping jacks. Yes. Good, Ajita, good. Okay, excellent, everyone. So we have 30 seconds for the minute to end now. Walk around, take a breather. Next movement is your plank hold. Okay, let's get ready. Yes, be on your mats. 10 seconds to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Timer started. Yes, very good. Keep breathing. 40 seconds. 30 more seconds. Yes. Hold on, hold on. Good, good, good. 15 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Excellent. Slightly stretch your back. Be in the child pose. Be in the cobra pose. Okay, get ready for side lunges now. Quickly get up. Hold the table. 5 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1. Start. Side lunges. 7 on each side. Bend down deeper. Yes, very good, Kirti. Good. Good, Prashant. Good. Yes. Yes. Ajita, don't lift your heel of the leg that you're bending on. Heel remains on the floor. Yes. Yes. Good. There you go. Keep doing that. 5 to 7 counts on each leg. Yes. Carry on. Carry on. You have 15 more seconds. Quickly finish your counts. Yes. Okay. Get ready for leg raises. Place your mat. Lie down. Lift up your legs. Bring it to 30 and start. Timer started. 30 seconds of leg raise hold at 30 degrees. Yes. Hold it. Hold it. 10 more seconds only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Yes. Slightly relax your back. You can bend your back backwards also while you're standing. Yes. Go down, go up. Okay. Get ready for the squat walk. Last 40 seconds of workout. Let's do that. Start. Yes, good, good. Bend down, deeper, deeper. Kirti, go down deeper. Yes. 20 more seconds. Feel it in your quadriceps, in your thigh muscles. Just feel that burn. Keep your chest out, back straight. 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Excellent. We are done with 20 minutes of strength and conditioning. This time HIIT, strength and conditioning and core blast combined into one. So this was challenging on the core. Okay, the next we are going to do abs. Alright. So in the abs workout, we will be looking at bicycle crunches, Russian twist and scissors. Okay. This is going to be the first movements Russian twist is going to be your weighted. Your bicycle crunch is going to be with your body weight. Okay, let's look at it. What is a bicycle crunch? So for this, you lie down on your mat. Again, your spine press. There should not be any curve in your spine. Now from here, raise up your upper body at 30. Okay, now when you are raising up at 30, it means you are not straining your neck, you are just supporting it with your hands. Raise your legs also up at 30. Now from here, crunch, try to squeeze in, crunch. So every time you crunch, you slightly raise up your body and touch your elbows with your knees. And then crunch. Don't do this movement, your upper abs will not be engaged. You need to raise it up, down, up, down, up, down. Alright? Up in a crunch so that your upper abs are also engaged. Alright? Let's get ready. We are going to do this movement for 30 seconds and then 3 sets. Okay, 30 seconds movement, 15 seconds rest and 3 sets. Lie down. Raise up your upper body at 30, lower body at 30 and start. Yes, good, good. Very good. Keep that going. Excellent, yes. Yes, Ajita, slightly control your speed. Prashant, you need to stretch out the other leg straight. Stretch out the other leg straight. Yeah, there you go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. 15 seconds of breather. So while you are taking a breather in this pose, what you do is you fold your legs and swing it side to side. This will relax your spine. Fold your legs, swing it side to side. Okay, let's get ready for the second set. Again, 30 seconds. Just be mindful. Kirti, I need to see your side view in this movement. So just turn around, arrange your mat. Okay, Ajita, when you do it like this, you need to make sure that your body is not going very fast. Okay, you need to pause as you crunch. Pause as you crunch. Okay, and Prashant, you need to straighten the leg. So the movement is like this. You need to straighten the leg. Alright, yes. Okay, let's get ready. Start. 30 seconds started. Bicycle crunch. Very good, Ajita. Good, yes. That is the crunch I'm looking at. So you are crunching with your left hand up, but your right still needs to go up. Yes. Ajita, take your right also up. Yes. Good. Yes. Good, Kirti. Good. Good efforts. Raise up your upper body in a crunch. Yes. Lower body is fine. Carry on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Again, slightly stretch your back. You can also be in the cobra and the child. You can do that sequence as well. Whatever it is, you need to slightly relax your spine. Okay. Let's get ready for the third set. Same movement. Kirti, try to lift your upper body more. Okay. Alright. Start. 30 seconds. Yes. Yes. Good. Yes. Crunch. Feel that burn in your lower abs as well as your upper abs. Yes. Good, good, good. Keep that going. Yes, yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Excellent, guys. Okay. Now, in the next movement, while you are resting, you can watch. It is a Russian twist. And you are going to hold one single dumbbell here. Hold it in your hands. Now, tilt your upper body at 60. Lift your legs up. And swing your body from side to side, holding the dumbbell in your hands. Make sure you don't strain your shoulders and do this. And also you don't do just this. Okay? You need to swing your torso. Bring it on the other side. Swing your torso. Alright? Yes? Let's get ready. Hold one single dumbbell. Take your position. Tilt your upper body at 60. So the body is not straight. It is slightly tilted. Yes. Start. Yes. Good. Good. Very good. Excellent. Yes. Good. 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 Carry on. 15 more seconds. Twist, twist. Very good, Ajita. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. For once, get up and walk. Before we do the second set, get up and walk, everyone. Okay. Let's get ready for the second set. Same movement, Russian twist. Lie down with your upper body tilted at 60 degrees and start. Yes. Good, good, good. Carry on, carry on. So swing your torso. Yes. Prashant, you need to swing your torso. You're not swinging. Yes, there you go. Swing it. Yes. Kirti, swing your torso, not just the arms. Swing. Yes. Good, good. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Good. Again, take a breather. Either you can lie down or you can stretch your legs or you can get up and walk before we do the third set. Okay, let's get ready. Take your position and start. Yes, good. Yes, very good, Kirti. Good, good, good efforts. Yes. Prashant, relax your neck. Don't strain your neck too much. Yes, good, good, good. Carry on, carry on. Yes, it is going to be challenging. Yes. Last 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay, relax. For once, flip around, be in the cobra pose, do the child pose. Do that for another 1 minute. Then we do the last movement. Yes. Kirti, stretch your spine. Turn around, stretch your spine. So whenever we do any abs workout or core workout, we need to give our spinal muscles some rest. Okay. Meanwhile, let's watch what we are going to do. So the next movement is your scissors. And how are we going to do it? So lie down. The first set will be simple. Again, press your spine. So this is a very important point. There should not be any curve in your spine. Slightly tilt your pelvis forward. Okay. Now, raise your leg up. Bring it down in a scissor. Again, raise it up. Down in a scissor. Again, raise it up. Down in a scissor. Okay. And when you are going down, you are not touching the legs on the floor. Again, take it up. Down in a scissor. Take up straight, down in a scissor. Okay, let's do that for 30 seconds. Get ready. Start. Raise your leg up straight, down in a scissor. Raise it up straight, down in a scissor. Yes, keep doing that. Yes. 15 more seconds. Yes, raise up, down in a scissor. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Relax your spine. Just move your legs side to side. Okay. Let's watch the next movement, which is raising your legs up and down in scissor. Let's watch. So now here again, press your stomach down so that your spine is curved like this, and tilt your pelvis. Now from here, lift your leg up in a scissor. Bring it down in a scissor. Lift it up in a scissor. Bring it down in a scissor. Okay, let's do that for 30 seconds. Get ready. Start. Up in a scissor. Yes. Down in a scissor. Try to open up your legs more as you go up and down in the scissor. Yes. Knees will be slightly straight and soft. Don't bend too much. Obviously, when you are crossing, crisscrossing, the knees will be slightly softer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Slightly stretch your spine. We have a variation in the third set as well. Okay, let's look at the third set. It is going to be your scissors with your upper body held up. Something like this. So, lie down again. No curve in your spine. Now from here, lift your upper body at 30. You can support it with your hands if you wish to, or you can keep your hands here. Now from here, take your legs up in a scissor, down in a scissor, up in a scissor, down in a scissor. The upper body is also lifted at 30. Let's get started. Alright, at the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Yes. Up in a scissor, down in a scissor. Kitty, slightly move your upper body down. Yes, there you go, here you go, yes. Carry on, yes. Down in a scissor as well. Up in a scissor, down in a scissor, yes. Carry on, 10 more seconds, everyone. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Alright. Now, as the last movement, we are going to do one hold movement, one isometric movement, which is your upper body hold of your at 30 degrees as well as lower body at 30. So, something like this, watch it. So, you are here. The first set is going to be weighted. We won't be lifting up our lower legs. Now, what you are going to do is hold the weight. Lift your upper body in a crunch and hold. Now here, don't do this and don't tilt your neck too much. It is held like this. Okay, only lifting your upper body in a crunch. So this is your body lying down. This is a crunch and you hold. Okay, yes, let's do that. We are going to hold it for 20 seconds. At the count of, yes, pick up your weight. 3, 2, 1, start. Be in a crunching position. Yes. Don't come up too much. Kirti, go down. This is not a crunch. Go down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay. Now, the next movement, this is the same movement. The variation is that you are going to raise your leg up. Okay. Let's watch. So, you lie down with your, holding the weight is optional here. So, you lie down. Now, raise your upper body in a crunch. Now, raise your lower legs at 30 degrees and hold. Okay. You can drop the weight. You can do it like this also. So, remember, this is not up at 60. It is at 50. The lower body is also here. Okay. Yes. Let's try to hold it. At the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Yes, very good, very nice. Yes, hold it, hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, relax. Good, excellent work done, guys. One last movement we are going to do, which is your Supermans, okay? Why do we combine Supermans? Because that's a very good lower body strengthening workout, usually after abs or leg raises. This is the kind of an opposite movement of that, so that you don't experience backaches or things like that post abs workout. So what we are going to do, only one set of Supermans. So you be here. Raise your lower body as well as your upper body. Pause, come down. Raise up, pause, come down. We do that for 10 counts. That's all. Let's turn around. Yes. On your own, raise up your lower body as well as your upper body. Pause, come down. Again, lift up, pause, come down. Yes. 10 counts on your own. Yes, carry on. Good, good, good. If you are done 10 counts, you will get up and start walking. Yes, get up and walk if you're done. Okay, let's begin with our stretching now. We are through with the workout.